God, if you thought this video was about welding, it's not the one for you. Now this piece of $3,000 Snap-on welder, it's called a MIG 140. The reason why it's called a MIG is because it is made from the same steel that Putin puts on his Russian MiG fighter jet. And furthermore, it's got rubber tires on it, made from the same rubber material that is found on Firestone tires, made in the 2000s.
174 deaths.
Now, all the precious metals that make up this Snap-on welder is mined by illegal child labor. And the circuitry, you know, like the computer stuff, it is made from the second-hand PCM modules off of Ford Mustangs. Now, with all that being said, this thing should stand up to my durability test on how great this welder is. Let's see. Now, when you go to a job site, this thing has to be able to be deployed with no problems out of your truck. Guess that didn't work real good. Now, next thing is, this thing has to be able to be towed, just in case if my truck is full of stuff. So it's on wheels. It's supposed to be strong, durable, remember. So I should be able to, you know, tow it with my tow hitch. I guess I kind of passed. I did drag it. Now the next test, let's say some jerk off doesn't strap their welder down on the back of their truck and it falls out of the truck and goes into oncoming traffic. I gotta know if this thing will survive a crash from a car running over it. So let's test that now. No, we're gonna go on the side of the house back through here.
You know where that the hood is?
The hood?
Yeah.
Where?
Back there.
Oh yeah.
That's where everybody shot.
Oh. Now it's time for this piece of crap $3,000 Snap-on welder to meet its executioner. Now the best way I can figure on how to put this piece of crap Snap-on welder to rest, and that is death by firing squad.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Now let's go take a look at the damage. My God, he put a good hole in that mug. Yes, he did. Don't buy this piece of crap. If you want a real welder, get a Lincoln or a Hobart. Don't buy Snap-on. At least not the damn welder, because they're pieces of crap. Oh, no, I'll fuck that up.